ohmathgad.
Oh math god guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to construct a two-way relative frequency table. The first thing we're going to be taking a look at is the definition of the two-way frequency table, a two-way relative frequency table, and then we're going to see whether or not we can actually use it for rows, totals, or just columns. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is the definition of a two-way relative frequency table before we continue with the problem. So the two-way relative frequency table shows the frequencies of a data in percentages, fractions, or ratios. These two-way frequency tables can show relative frequencies for the whole table, right? Or it can just be done for the rows or the column, depending on how you want to analyze the two-way frequency table, right? So in today's problem, we're going to be taking a look at the following. In a group of 120, each person has a dog, a cat, or a bird. The two-way frequency table shows how many people have each kind of pet. Complete the two-way relative frequency table to show the distribution of the data with respect to 120 people. Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. Okay, so in today's video, guys, we are being asked to draw the two-way relative frequency table, and when they are doing that, they are asking us to complete it to show the distribution of the data with respect to all 120 people. So this is very, very important because that means that in this case, the frequency table or the relative frequencies that we're going to show are for the whole table, right? Because we're going to use the total of 120 people as our reference, right? So what can we do to do that? So we're going to divide each one of the quantities, right, by 120 because 120 is the total and we're going to get a percentage, right? So for example, with the first row, what we can do is that we see that 25 men have dogs and 33 women have dogs. So what can we do? So we divide 25 divided by the total, which is 120, right? And when we do that, that is going to give us an amount of 0.28, right? So when we obtain the percentage, right? So once we do this, we obtain an answer of 0.28, right? And when we obtain the percentage, we just multiply it by 100%, giving us a total of 20.8%, right? And that is what we're going to do with every single value in the table. So again, 33 divided by 120 multiplied by 100, and that is going to be giving us a total of 27.5%. Now, cat is 20, so 20 divided by 120 multiplied by 100 is going to give us a total of 16.7%. Now, 15 divided by 120, which is the amount of women who have cats, is going to give us a total of 12.5%, right? 12 divided by 120 times 100 is going to give us 10%, and 15 divided by 120 multiplied by 100 is going to give us a total of 12.5% as well. So what can we do to find the totals? We can either divide 58 by 120, which would be 48.3%, right? Or we can also total the two percentages. So we can add 20.8% plus 27.5%, and that is also going to give us the same answer. So you can use either method, right? So 17.7 plus 12.5 is going to give us a total of 29.2%, and then 10 plus 12.5% is going to give us a total of 22.5%. And then we try adding the three of them, right? So 48.3 plus 29.2 plus 22.5 is going to give us the total of 100% that we had, right? So that is always very effective for you to double check your answers. So now on the first column, it's 20.8 plus 16.7 plus 10, which is going to give us a grand total of 47.5%. And then of women, we have 27.5 plus 12.5 plus 12.5, which is going to give us a total of 52.5%. Now, we can actually also add these two. So 47.5% plus 52.5% is also a total of 100%. So we, again, double check your answers, guys. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!